For this technique, we're going to take E. coli that's currently growing in a broth format and move it onto an agar plate, but this will be a spread technique, also known as a lawn. So having pre-labelled our plate, we're going to resuspend E. coli in the broth. So remember, you always swirl to mix, you don't shake because that will introduce aerosols. So having resuspended, we just need to make sure that within this area of sterile zone, that we open the lid properly so that there's no issues with access. Separate to that, we need the implement, so this time it's going to be a Pasteur pipette. So this is a plugged Pasteur pipette, and it's being sterilised in an autoclave. So when I open this end to handle it, I need to make sure that the other end here remains sterile at all times. So onto the end, I'm going to put a Pasteur bulb. Okay, and now when I take it out, I need to make sure that I'm in the sterile zone with it. So holding the Pasteur pipette, you need to make sure you use your other hand to support the stop bottle. Use the pinky and palm of hand technique to remove the stopper. Flame the neck of your bottle. Press the bulb before you go into the liquid, and once you're in the liquid, just let it drop whatever it takes. Okay, just wait to see if it's going to drip. Sometimes that happens due to fibres that are trapped between the pipette and the bulb itself. Okay, once you're happy with that, reflame. Put the lid on and move it out of the way, and we're looking for 100 microliters or 0.1 of a mil here, which we've worked out to be 3 drops. Okay, once those 3 drops are in the centre of the plate, everything that's left in this pipette can be put into a discard jar. So try and remember when you go in to expel the liquid and draw in some disinfectant in its place. That can then sit while you're continuing with the process. So to spread this puddle, we're going to use a glass spreader and ethanol. Okay, so we want to put the glass spreader and the ethanol to coat it, shake off any excess, and then into the flame and out again. Okay, once it's ignited, you need it to just burn off, but make sure that's happening in your sterile zone, and you need to stay in that zone until this glass spreader is cooled. Okay, in terms of spreading on the plate, you need to hold the lid, don't put it on the table, and put the flat edge of the spreader into the puddle, but give it a second to run along the flat edge. Once that's happened, you just need to push the puddle all over the surface, make sure you get all the way out to the edges. Okay, keep doing that, and at some point partially rotate the plate. Depending if you're right or left-handed, you'll be biased in one direction, so this helps even things out. Okay, again, always make sure you're going all the way to the edge with this. If you feel it starting to drag, then stop, or you'll tear the agar. Put the lid back on, and just remember to re-sterilise your spreader to finish the process off. So that completes a liquid to solid transfer using the spreading technique.